Welcome back to PepTalk Self-Talk. Today, we're delving into the heart of our relationships and discovering how to improve communication through the power of our inner voice. Relationships are the essence of our lives, and mastering communication is key to building meaningful connections. So, let's dive right in and explore the magic of effective communication. We all know that communication is essential in any relationship, but have you ever wondered why sometimes it feels like we're speaking different languages? It's time to turn inward and listen to our inner voice for guidance. First, let's talk about active listening. We often hear, but are we truly listening? Practice active listening by giving your full attention to your partner, making eye contact, and being genuinely interested in what they're saying. It's crucial to listen not just to their words, but also to their emotions. Sometimes, the unsaid speaks louder than the said. Tune into their feelings, and you'll connect on a deeper level. Now, let's explore empathy. Empathy is the ability to step into someone else's shoes and understand their perspective and emotions. It's a powerful tool that fosters trust and compassion in relationships. So, how can we use our inner voice to navigate conflicts and disagreements in a relationship? When facing conflicts, take a moment to breathe and tune into your feelings. Acknowledge your emotions without judgment, and then approach the conversation with a willingness to understand and find common ground. Conflict is a natural part of any relationship, but it's how we handle it that makes all the difference. Another aspect of communication is expressing ourselves honestly and authentically. Be true to yourself and communicate your thoughts and feelings with respect and vulnerability. However, remember that our inner voice also reminds us to be mindful of our words. Choose them wisely, for once spoken, they can't be taken back. In the hustle of life, we often forget to express appreciation and gratitude for our loved ones. Your inner voice knows the importance of cherishing those you hold dear. Take a moment every day to say, "I love you," "Thank you," or simply offer a kind gesture. These small acts create ripples of love in your relationships. Lastly, let's not forget the significance of setting boundaries. Your inner voice knows when it's time to say no, or when you need personal space. Respect your boundaries and communicate them openly. And that's a wrap on today's PepTalk Self-Talk. I hope you're feeling inspired to nurture your relationships and improve communication through the wisdom of your inner voice. Remember, strong relationships are built on love, trust, and effective communication. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the power of positive communication together. Until next time, keep those connections strong, and keep talking with your heart.